So far, we have learned about three types of things we can store in variables. We can store whole numbers in int variables, decimal numbers in float variables, and text in string variables. In this video, we are going to learn something very useful, how to put the value a variable contains inside the string. In a brand new project, I have created 4 variables. 2 string variables to hold the first name Elon and the last name Musk, an int variable to hold the age 50, and a float variable to hold his net worth in billions. In the computer memory, these variables look like this. We have 4 containers with labels and different data types, 2 strings, an int, and a float. Now, as we have seen in a previous video, we can print the value that every variable holds simply by typing the command print variable. For example, print first name. This command prints Elon to the console. Now, let's improve this to make our programs more user-friendly. What if we wanted to print a text like this? Print Elon Musk is 50 years old and has a net worth of $277.2 billion. We hit run. At the output, we see the sentence printed. This is a static print command, which does not change. If I change the values of the variables and hit run again, the text remains the same. For example, let's change the age and make it 51. We hit run and the text that is printed remains the same. What if we wanted the text to reflect the changes in the values of the variables? We have to use an f string for this. So here, at the beginning of this string, we put an f. Now this string is an f string and we can embed variables in it. If we just hit enter without entering anything, the text will be printed without any change. Now, let's add the age variable. We delete the 50 from here and we put some curly brackets, and inside those curly brackets we put the variable name age in this case. If we now hit run, we see that the new age is printed. Cool, huh? Let's do the same trick with all the other variables as well. We enter curly brackets and inside of the curly brackets we enter the variable name. So I'm going to delete the word Elon and replace it with curly brackets first name, like this. I am going to delete the word Musk and replace it with curly brackets last name, and lastly I'm going to replace the number 277.2 with curly brackets net worth. That's it. Now we hit run and we see that the text is printed and it reflects the values that the variables contain. Let's change the variables to try it again. First name is equal to Jeff, last name is equal to Bezos, age is equal to 58, net worth is equal to 189.2. We hit run and now the program prints a sentence about Jeff Bezos. This functionality is very useful and we are going to use it a lot in the future, so let's practice it with an exercise. Let's create a program that will calculate the area of a circle using the equation. Area is equal to pi radius squared. We have to create 3 variables, one for the pi, one for the radius, and one for the result. The program will print the following to the console. The area of a circle of radius something centimeter is something square centimeter. Please pause the video now and try to do the exercise. Let's write this program. First, we create all the variables. Radius is equal to 5. That's a random value. Pi is equal to 3.14. That's the constant pi. Now, area is equal to pi asterisk. Now, we need the radius squared. We can do it in a couple of ways. Radius asterisk radius, or we can use the exponent operator in Python, radius asterisk asterisk 2. Now, let's print the result in a nice descriptive string. Print f, the area of a circle of radius curly brackets, radius centimeter is curly brackets, area square centimeters. That's it. We hit run and we see the result printed. Of course, we can change the value of the variable radius to calculate the area of another circle. Cool, huh? Our program now looks a lot better. In the next video, we are going to take another step. We are going to learn how to get input from the user to make our programs even better. I'll see you in the next video.